So good afternoon, guys. Welcome to an afternoon rainy drive. It's ECQ day 3 for Cebu City, and yes, we're on our way to the city, and it's raining today. Um, it's a rainy June day. Really cool the weather, very nice. But yes, obviously Cebu City is still in ECQ, so there are no work. I mean, limited work. No public transportation, and the malls. I think only essential establishments like banks, groceries, and pharmacies are allowed to open. So today we are on our way to the hospital. But yes, it's a rainy day, and
slow down.
we have a moderate traffic right now. But all in all, there's really fewer people right now outside their homes. We are in the Cebu Business Park area, and yes, well, there are quite a few vehicles right now running. It's a bit busier than the morning drive, but still, traffic is free flowing. Not much obstructions. Probably the only reason why we're slowing down because the ones in front of us are slowing down. Yes. So this time we're gonna pass through. We'll deviate from our normal route, and we're going to Archbishop Reyes, heading towards Redemptorist Church and Juan Osmeña. So we'll just check that side of the city this time. Today is a Thursday. Yes. Well, the ECQ made the city look cleaner, and there you can see less people, less garbage, and less cars as well. But yes, we have a beautiful city, guys. Hopefully, yes, after 15 days we can now go back to GCQ at least and have jobs, but before then we must learn that things must change. I mean, all our lives, I mean, we were really used to talking face to face, joking around, um, chit chatting. That will go. I mean, that will go. We need to really change that. Some behavioral modifications must be done because now you have to wear masks, you have to avoid crowds, really minimize face-to-face interaction. Really close face-to-face interactions really minimized now. I think the word intimate now is just around 6 feet away. Before we could really be close to someone, but now you have to be careful. So yes, we have to adopt to the new normal. We have to wear masks. We have to wear face shields, for example, for me, and always wash our hands. Maybe take a bath at least twice a day, especially when you go out. So here in Caltex, the price of diesel is $35.95. So now we are entering this area, going to USC North, at the back of USC North campus, or the Montessori campus now of USC North. So normally in the afternoon at this time this is around 4 p.m. This on school days, this area is packed because there are schools here, and on the right side, especially, yes, this campus, and then the boys' high is the other side. Yes, we are here going to Redemptorist Church. Not much action in this area. Roads are good. The chorizo place is open. I don't know, KFC will check if they accept. They have a park and go. You park and go. And then that's the church. Redemptorist Church. Open. No. Yeah, Redemptorist Church. And we're basically going to the back of the St. Teresa's College. St. Teresa's College. So there are no buses now. The St. Mark's Hotel. Yes, we are now approaching the baseline area. There, STC. This is St. Teresa's College of Cebu. Is the premier school that forms servant leaders for a better world. And that's basically the baseline. Now it's made of condos from Cebu land masters. Baseline residences and their citadines. There's a Robinson supermarket here. And there's a Gold's Gym, but these gyms are not open. Yes, we're now heading towards Cebu Doctors University area. It's a rainy Thursday morning and afternoon, and yes, here are the street dwellers. They have their own water. They take a bath here. It's so challenging for them when it rains. Where do they take cover? I don't know why they're on the streets now, because last month I didn't see them. So now we're turning right here, and we're now in the Cebu Doctors University area. Cebu Doctors University Hospital area. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this quick afternoon drive. And I hope, you've seen Cebu now, and if you are from Cebu, yes, there's no traffic. It's not like the Cebu that we're used to. And if you haven't been to Cebu for quite a while, this is Cebu now. So thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, if you have any queries, let me know, and probably I can try my best to answer your question. And see you on our next videos, guys. Bye bye.